Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are at a different location. I'm right in the middle of nowhere with the Bitcoin bike, of course. And yeah, we are at some place in the north where they are making salt and stuff. So there are not many people living right there. So it's actually quite a cool scenery. We got some mountain right there in the back. It's quite cool right here. We also have some mountains, so that's quite nice. So yeah guys, that's what I'm doing right now. And I want to have a quick talk about Bitcoin, but I also want to have a talk about Shiba token, as we have been mentioning Shiba in the previous videos, and we already have seen the breakout coming. So guys, let me flip right over to the chart right here, and let's start off with having a look at Bitcoin. And for Bitcoin, I want to go to the weekly time frame first, because that is something we haven't mentioned before, but we have been talking about it, and that is the weekly close of Bitcoin. Bitcoin so far has had the highest weekly close right now in the history of Bitcoin's price action, which means that on the weekly time frame Bitcoin is back into a uptrend. So right here we can see it right here. The weekly close of Bitcoin is higher than the previous weekly closes when Bitcoin closed around $60,000 US. That is a bullish sign, guys. That is showing that Bitcoin is trading in a weekly time frame back into a uptrend because it surpassed the previous high. Then guys, let's go back to the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame we can see that Bitcoin also just had its highest daily close, which again is as well a bullish signal. And so far we are still trading above that important level of 59,500, 59,300. If we go to the short-term time frame, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that the momentum indicators, they are actually resetting quite hard. So we have a lot of divergences going on. The price is setting higher highs while the momentum indicators are coming down. This is exactly going to be the next signal for Bitcoin's rally once Bitcoin can break above this declining resistance. So let me show you that with a trend line right here. If we use the trend line over on the relative strength index, a declining resistance right here, there you can see that the resistance on the relative strength index is still declining, which can basically be a bullish sign as long as Bitcoin is holding that key support level, because this just shows us that the momentum indicators right now, they are coming back down, they are resetting and basically creating space for more bullish momentum once Bitcoin is going to break out. But this is it's very important for Bitcoin to hold above that level of 59,300 or 59,500, that support zone right there, because if we were to lose that level, we can see a further pullback in the price of Bitcoin. Then guys, let's go to Shiba, because we have been talking about Shiba as well. Shiba has already seen the breakout. Let me flip the screen. Yeah, so when we have a look at Shiba, Shiba already has seen the breakout right here in the relative strength index. Also in the price, the triangle formation broke out to the upside. We got a retest, flipped resistance into support. That is bullish. I got some questions what the target of Shiba is. I've mentioned that in the previous video as well, but let me show you guys again. That's the width of the triangle right here, put at the point of breakout. That would set the target at approximately 39.63 for Shiba against US dollars. So guys, let me quickly flip to the video screen right here. So guys, this is basically what I'm watching right now, and I think Bitcoin has to take a breather right here. It has to move sideways. We have a little bit indecisive price action. The momentum indicators are going to come down. That is also needed for Bitcoin if we really want to push through the previous all-time high and get that acceleration in the rally. However, we have to be slightly careful right here due to all these divergences, because if we are going to see Bitcoin losing a key support level, then that can come along with a further dump or a further pullback in the Bitcoin price. So that is just something to watch right now. We have to be careful with Bitcoin and let Bitcoin first blow off steam, and then later act once Bitcoin has chosen a clear direction. Either it's going to break the previous all-time high, or we are seeing a break above the previous local high, or we are going to lose support and Bitcoin wants to see a further pullback. But yeah, what we are seeing right now is, I think, still perfectly normal. We just have to We just have to be a little bit careful with the price action due to these divergences, because losing support with these divergences can actually trigger a further pullback. And yeah, for the rest, I think it's actually looking good. Normally in a bull market, these divergences have to come down as well, because when a certain asset is already overbought, then it's very difficult to push through a heavy resistance. For example, the previous all-time high. So it is quite okay in a bull market for momentum indicators to come down and price to move sideways or slightly lower, slightly up, just in a form of consolidation without clear direction in the shorter term time frame. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video right here in the nature, a little bit different. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.